What's up everyone, this is Kirby. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I want to take the time to invite you to subscribe. Just click that red subscribe button down below. Be sure to turn on notifications. That is the bell icon, and make sure that you hit it twice, and that way you never ever miss an upload. I tend to upload on Tuesdays and Fridays. Right now I'm just uploading once a week, but I'm working my way back up to twice a week, bringing you something that you all have been requesting from me for quite a long time, especially on Instagram. Why I have not done it, girl, I don't know, because this has become my favorite, I would say pretty much my favorite line within Mielle Organics, and that is the pomegranate honey collection. It smells absolutely freaking amazing. Like you feel like you just want to like eat it. And this pomegranate honey line is sold only at Sally Beauty. There are two other products in the line, which is the custard and also the twisting souffle. But today I'm just going to be using the leave-in conditioner and then the curl smoothie. I have used it along with the custard, but anyway, I'm still ride or die for all of the other Mielle Organics products, but I wanted to make sure I came and showed you these because this is what I've been using for a lot of my wash and goes, and I'm in love. I'm gonna add a little bit of water to my hair using this spray bottle, but for the custard, I really like it. However, it does flake in my hair. Now, when I used it on like damp hair, it pretty much flaked the very next day. It was like over. It was, and it made, when I say flake, it really kind of put like these little beads or, and it made my hair look dirty even though my hair was fresh and clean. But I did try it another time and it worked great. While it did last for 7 days, I want to say probably day 6 or 7, that's when I started seeing the beads of the custard again. Some people have no problem with it. It doesn't do it, but some people it does affect. If you have tried the custard, comment below. Let me know what your thoughts were. Did it flake on you? Does it do great in your hair? Now it's time to add products, and I'm going in with the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner. I'm applying about a quarter size amount. I'm going to start at the ends and work it all the way up to the root. This is my method that I've used for years. I've always liked to apply, especially to my natural hair, starting at the ends and then work my way up to the root. As you know, the ends are the oldest portion of your hair. Therefore, I want to make sure that it's well coated with product as well. It helps me to get a good even distribution versus having a lot of product sitting up near the root of my hair when it's the ends that needs the product the most. As you can see, I'm going to continue to apply and work it through my hair, making sure that my hair is well saturated. And as a rule of thumb, I always apply to wet hair, hence the reason you see me using an excess of water or adding more water, because I want to make sure that my hair is very well coated, and I find that products spread and smooth better into my hair whenever I work from wet hair versus damp or dry hair. I also notice that I'm going in and finger detangling as I work the product through my hair to help knock out any tangles and keep it from clumping and tangling up on each other. Now I'm following up the leave-in conditioner with the pomegranate and honey curl smoothie, which I'm loving that the bottle has an actual pump. Makes application very easy. So this is about 3 pumps here. Ooh, guess what? I'm coming to Houston. I'll be in Missouri City at a Sally Beauty on February 17th. So make sure you stop by and see me. My event at the Sally Beauty is from 12 to 2. I'll make sure I put all of the information here in this video and down below in the description box, I should say. Y'all, I'm coming to Houston. I'm super excited, so make sure that you come out and hang with me from 12 to 2 p.m. at Sally Beauty in Missouri City. Make sure that you comment below. Let me know if you're coming so I can be looking for you. What's up, y'all? Okay, it's the next day. I allowed my hair to air dry. So now I decided I'm gonna recreate a style. I was looking for something different. So if you want to learn how to do this style, if you think it's cute, follow along with me and let's do it. I'm basically starting with the top center section of my hair. So I'm creating a U part, if you will. And then I'm going to use this rat tail comb just to go in and clean up the part to make it look a little more precise. Now I'm wanting to create some Bantu knots at the top portion of my hair using in that same horseshoe section that I parted out. So I'm taking the rat tail comb and parting backwards at a diagonal so that the base of it towards the front looks like the bottom of my triangle. Now this is the part where I wish I would have left a little more hair in, but that's okay. We are going to be able to fix it, as you will see as we go along. So I thought initially that this portion was too big, and I took some of the hair out and I clipped it to the back so that I could begin creating my Bantu knot. I'm taking a little bit of spray bottle on the palm of my hand, a little bit of water from the spray bottle rather, and slicking it back, and then I will go in with the Mielle Organics Flexible Hold Edge Gel and smooth my hair backwards and begin to create my Bantu knot. To help smooth and lay the root of my hair down and also kind of sculpt the way that I want the hair to lay, I'm using this old toothbrush with a little bit of that Flexible Hold Edge Gel. And now I'm twisting all the way down to the ends, and then I'll begin to just wrap around and make sure that I tuck each layer as I'm wrapping it underneath at the base of my hair. And that will help me to create and also secure my Bantu knot. So you'll see how small it came out at first, and I was like, I look like I have two little cones at the top of my head, so we're gonna fix that real quick. I decided to unravel my Bantu knot and take a small little rubber band, one of the little black hair rubber bands, and I'm just gonna wrap it around at the base and make a ponytail before I recreate the Bantu knot. I'm doing that on both sections because I didn't like how small they were. They look like little knots or little cones at the top of my head. So here we go. I'm going in and I'm going to pull down from what was originally supposed to be in my side triangular parts, and I'm going to clip those out of the way and then pull a little bit back away from my center triangular Bantu knot and clip it out of the way to get ready to create. So I noticed that I wanted to add a little more shine. So if you've not ever used this pomade to oil, I love, love, love it. It is from the Mogongo line from Mielle Organics, and it adds so much shine, helps to keep your hair from being frizzy, and I love it. So I decided to braid the center section, and I'm just gonna braid it basically to the base of it to help it sit back so that it's not directly at the front, along with the other two of my Bantu knots. I'll clip it out of the way and then get a rubber band and put the rubber band at the base, creating a nice little ponytail so the center portion has a braided effect to it. Now we can begin to create our Bantu knots. So I'm actually now going to go in and take my center ponytail and pull just a slight bit or a small section of hair away from it because it is thick, and allow it to conjoin in with the ponytail that I already have created, plus the other piece that I pulled out earlier. I'm adding a little bit of the pomade to oil to the ponytail just to create shine and smooth it down. And now I'll begin to twist, and as you can see, it just blends right into my ponytail as I create the twist and begin to create the Bantu knot. So I'm doing the same exact thing that I did, twist all the way to the end and begin to wrap it around and tuck each layer underneath at the base of it. And then just to help, because Bantu knots can be a bit tightening, once I'm done with it, I always twist in the opposite direction just to loosen some of the grip off of it, and it also gives you volume to your Bantu knot. I'm now going to continue doing the same thing, and you'll see a little better on this side how I pulled from the sectioned hair that was already left off and another portion on the other side of the center ponytail to conjoin and add volume and fix my little mistake of not having enough hair in my Bantu knot. Again, applying the pomade to oil to add a little bit of shine, and then begin twisting all the way down and wrapping to create the Bantu knot. And yes, you are not fooled. The center portion of my hair was still a little bit wet because I did air dry, and I have borderline low porosity hair, so it takes a long time for my hair to dry. So now that the U portion of my Bantu knots have been created, I'm now going to go and put one Bantu knot on each side just to even it out and make the style look a little cuter. I like it that way. So I did the same thing, basically applying the Mielle Organics flexible hold edge gel at the edges and now creating my ponytail. Then give it a quick little tighten at the pomade to oil to the length of it, and then create the Bantu knot and repeat on the other side. Now it is time to lay down these edges and sculpt them and smooth my baby hairs into place. I decided to use the Eco Styler gel because the flexible hold edge gel was mixing with my makeup as I was kind of sculpting them, so I was like, no, I cannot do that. I'll go in with the pomade to oil, and I'm smoothing just a small dot through the length of my hair, and this will help to add shine, give me volume, and kind of loosen up the definition so that I can create more volume. And this is the final look. Tell me what you think down in the comments section below. Would you rock the style? Do you love it? Do you dislike it? If you want more content like this and enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I will definitely be coming back and creating more and more cute styles and telling you about more products that I've been using. Don't forget, I'll see you this Saturday in Houston in Missouri City at the Sally Beauty location. And other than that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment below if you love the style. And I will see you all in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.